Nope. You may remember our lovely bathroom from when we did this faux concrete wall. Well, then this happened. We managed to get it all put back together, but rather than fix this, we decided just to redo the whole thing. For the shower, we're going to try this tile over tile technique, but for the floor, since they're in such bad condition, we're tearing up all the old stuff and replacing it with new.
You smell it? It's got a sweet smell to it.
Yeah.
It smells like blueberries.
Yeah, it does have a scent.
See, that's almost right on the money.
Love it.
So we'll just have to harvest some for there.
You know, some little skinnies.
Yeah. All I have is that piece and that small piece, and then we got these little guys to put in.
Okay.
And yeah, we're done with the shower floor.
Awesome. The floor is all done, but we're not super jazzed about how chalky the grout is looking on the shower floor. We did some research and decided to give this color enhancer product a go, but didn't see any lasting improvement. Then we thought maybe the grout lines were too shallow and allowing water to pool in them and washing the pigment down to the bottom. So we decided to add another layer of grout to raise that level up. And that didn't work either. Next up was a product called Grout Refresh by Mape, and we went with number 10 black. You basically squeeze it onto the grout and then work it in with a stiff bristle brush and then wipe the excess off of the tile. It's incredibly tedious, but effective. Since our tile is in good condition, we decided to try this tile over tile technique. The first step is installing deeper trim. This is a 3/4 inch trim we had a special order from Lowe's. On this wall, we had to first remove the old trim. We didn't need to remove it on this side because we want to extend the tile to catch any splash that's coming out of the shower area. We use liquid nails and Durox screws to attach this extension.
Heck yeah.
Next step was to apply this product, which is to roughen up the tile so that mortar can stick to it. Supposedly you could also just do this with an orbital sander. Nope. Committed.
Hi, Clary. Get there.
Now, theoretically, there is no need for it because our tile is in great condition, but just in case, we're going to red guard it too.
Woo! It is smelly in here.
You got a high, Clary.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think of the coverage? Good?
It's certainly bright, so I think you got everything. Wow.
Now, I was off camping, but Ames got a lot done while I was away.
Where are you? Oh. Oh, look at your work. Oh. Look at you. Yeah. You've been cutting tile, huh?
The tape the plumbers used to adhere their drapes pulled this cement finish off, so we just decided to patch it and paint it. The white goes better with the new tile anyway.
Get shocked.
The new niche trim over the old niche trim worked out just fine. Unfortunately, my less than perfect tile cuts lit up like neon when that dark grout was applied. We tried minimizing it with some white caulk, but it was still bad.
I'm super close at how janky my cuts are.
Very bad.
So we came up with the idea to cover them with some aluminum flat bar that's 3/4 inch wide, so it's the same as our outer trim. And we applied those with silicone and then used grout to fill in the ridges in between.
What do you think, 3/16?
Yeah, I think 3/16. Perfect.
So I put it at 33.
Okay.
So that way, you see what I mean? The bracket sits
Yeah,
into the top.
otherwise it would be all the way to the edge.
Yeah. Careful, I'm dropping it, dropping it, dropping it. Lift it up there. Lift it up. Grab your hand.
All right, so now we're tipping it up.
That's what I was worried about. Careful. Let go.
You got it?
Yes.
Okay.
You're doing most of it because I can't control shit from here. Careful. I knew you didn't have the strength to do it from there. We got to figure out which one we're going to put in first. I think if we put it in this thing at the bottom first, and then I think we can line those.
Okay.
Okay, I'm in. Now we're going to lift and slide back.
Move my thing.
Yep.
Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3.
Go. In.
In at the bottom.
There we go. We're lined up.